Hello everyone, welcome to Spectrum Creative. Today, we'd like to introduce our flagship product, the Inner Dome Turnkey Solution.
For various non-standard domes, we start from surveying, modeling to structural, simulation and implementation. Achieve full process, customized technology output, relying on professional special, shaped engineering system, build a high-precision, hemisphere load-bearing steel frame, standardized construction, ensuring the stability and accuracy of the curved structure. Modular quick installation process with fine-tuning regulate the inner cavity lines. Efficiently solve the installation problem of curved screens. Unique semi-open and concave cavity structure, breaking through the limitations of traditional displays. Create a unique three-dimensional immersive visual space. Semi-enclosed panoramic light and shadow imaging. Immerse yourself in the brilliant galaxy. Create an ultimate artistic light and shadow experience.
Should you have any immersive related projects, please feel free to get in touch with us.